Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make fern root noodles. It's also spicy and sour style food, but it's very healthy. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare ingredients. 5 minced 4 cloves of garlic. Then save them for later. Cut a bunch of green onion. Then save them for later. Cut green pepper into dice. Then save them for later. Cut 1 red pepper into dice. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare the sauce for the noodles. Add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons black vinegar, ½ teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon chili oil into the bowl. Stir them evenly. Then save them for later. Now we can start to cook fern root noodles. Add enough water into the pan. Then use a bigger fire to heat it. After the water has boiled, add 200 grams fern root noodles into the pan. Then use a bigger fire to cook them for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, drain and put them into the cold water to wash. Then drain and put them into the bowl. Then add some garlic, some red pepper, some green pepper, some green onion, some sauce into the bowl. Stir them evenly. Then we got the delicious fern root noodles. We can adjust the use level of ingredients according to our flavor. Fern root noodles is very delicious if you like the spicy and sour taste. Hope you can try at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.